Hello guys, my name is Yulia Temach and I'm the head of the volunteer program in Nasova non-profit organization. Kadima Lod is part of 21 houses in Israel for children. Today we are coming to make a makeover for our youth house in Kadima in Lod. The Kadima Lod youth house is special because it's for the Arab community children between 6 until 12. We're talking about 50 children that come in here every day. For them, like a house. I'm very excited because it's a very special day for us. For you to come and help us making this place pretty and more like home for our children. So I want to thank you so much for the Rimini Street organization that came to do the volunteer today and do the makeover with a very nice donation. We couldn't do it without you, so thank you guys so much and come again.